I think the industry is constantly changing. That's why we're here today. So as a company, just finding out the new processes and formats that go with it.
One, there's a standard that we're meeting. It's not just blasé, but also because the industry is constantly changing all the time, we're keeping up to date with the best possible way to do things cost-wise and also efficient-wise as well.
Obviously there's new practices that are coming into place from overseas as well, like the States, and we want to get on top of those and be known for someone who's at the top of our field in this country.
So that we always provide our customers with the best possible service, and we work into a standard that everybody else can look up to.
To improve on our skills and our abilities and to provide better customer service.
You need to be informed with new regulations, new standards, so that you can obviously run your business in a correct manner.
Because it's a field that's constantly improving, new technologies coming out, new processes are coming out which make for a more effective job. So keeping up on top of those really helps out with the company.
Oh, it's valuable. We see a lot of older restorers that don't have that updated education, that things are changing all the time. Our techniques, everything, the equipment is constantly changing, and to be educated like that means their education is at the level that everybody should be at.
When we get the jobs, it's always different scenarios, it's always different in different jobs. So the more we learn, the easier jobs will be.
Is an assurance to him that on the job I'll be performing to a standard